Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Northeast. We have this nor'easter that's getting going here, and you can tell just from where the motion is going, there's an area of low pressure in North Jersey here. And the flow east of it across New England is out of this east or southeast, depending on your location, and then it's out of the northwest in central Pennsylvania and western New York. So heaviest rainfall focus from Connecticut right on up towards the Poconos and the Catskills, just a lot of rainfall. 2 to 4 inches has already fallen in some spots, and we got more coming. So let's get into it. And the big story here, like I said, will be that rain today. We got a break now in parts of New England. That should fill in this afternoon and evening. Most of the rain will be along and south of Route 4. Everything north of there is light. And through the overnight, that rain, as the low pressure moves from near Jersey to near Nantucket, the rain shield is going to go with it. Right? So you're going to see the rain really start to taper off tomorrow morning. This is around 6 a.m. And by noon, all that's left is a few showers here in New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and eastern Connecticut. And it's really not until the end of the day in eastern areas this gets completely out of here. How much rain still to come? Well, quite a bit. 1 to 3 inches along the coast. But there's going to be areas that see a little less. You see that? Generally speaking, it's 1/10 to 1/2 inch far north. It's 1/4 to 1 inch additional central. And then again, 1 to 3 inches southern New England, New York City, northeast PA. But then you get south of I-78, it's really 1/10 to 1/2 inch. Not much to come because look at where the moisture already is, right? This thing is not just going to magically move south. It's going to move kind of east and then south. So some of these folks down here won't see much additional rainfall with this system. So once this gets out of here, though, Thursday is a dry day. But before I get to that, I want to talk about the wind gusts with this system. Okay, so the wind gusts between now and Thursday morning look like this. These are peak wind gusts. Usually, what the issue with the model does not incorporate the friction of land in all the trees and buildings. So in a perfect world, these are what the wind gusts would be. Usually we take off 20% because that's kind of just the general rule. So for example, on Cape Cod, if you have the 75 there, right? And we want to talk about how that is, a little bit less than or a little bit more than reality, right? So in this instance, it would be more like 60 miles an hour, right? So generally speaking, that should do it. 60, we'll call it 50 to 65 southeast coast, and then we'll call it 30 to 50 for most of southeast PA, Jersey, southern New England, up into Massachusetts even. And then north, it's more elevation dependent. The lower elevations, it's 15 to 30. The higher elevations, it's 25 to 50. So quite a bit of moisture and quite a bit of wind coming here later today, tonight, and early on Thursday. But the good news is Thursday turns out to be a good day. Friday starts good, but that rain is coming in through the day in the Mid-Atlantic. New England, you're good Friday. No issues, increasing clouds. But it's raining by the afternoon in the Mid-Atlantic, and this will sweep northward Friday night. Looks like a very wet Saturday across the region, and that even lingers now into early on Sunday with a few leftover rain showers. So how much in that one? Well, another big one. It's looking like 1/4 to 1 inch, and there might even be a few areas that see 1 to 2 inches. So when you add both of the systems together, yeah, a lot of rain. So flooding is going to be a concern here, not only with this system, but especially with the next one, because that's just putting more rain in an already soggy situation, right? So temperatures today, pretty seasonable. 50s north, 60s south. For Wednesday here, same deal. As we get into the day on Thursday, however, let me actually pull that up. I apologize. There's a little glitch that's skipping Thursday, so we're going to just skip Thursday. Anyway, Thursday is by far the best day. Let me try to get Thursday. There we go. Thursday is by far the best day. It's 50s and 60s, so nothing crazy. And then as we head into the Friday time frame, you get that next burst of rain coming in. It's only in the 50s. Saturday is a not very good day with a lot of rain around, 50s and 60s again. Sunday, same thing. Monday and Tuesday are seasonable and dry, but then watch the end of the week next week. Highs only in the 40s and 50s, so cooler air will slowly be moving in. And look at the 10 to 15 day here. Notice the cool risk showing up here in the center of the country, even in our neck of the woods too. Should be a cooler period compared to where we've been coming up. So that's what I got for you. Have a great day, and we'll be back tomorrow with another video.